My name is Mesha Tarun. People call me Mish. I'm from the UK and I am a student at BIC. I was checking online for courses to do and petroleum engineering interested me, so I set my mind to it, and the course was actually starting in September. So about midway, I discovered I had a passion for cooking. It brought out my inner madness. I actually went around looking for different culinary schools, and I went and checked out most of them. They didn't really catch my heart. The minute I walked into BIC, it was amazing, and I saw all the students who are on point. Everyone was professional. It's an amazing school. The facilities are amazing. The education is really good. They teach everything, that's all the essential skills that a cook should have, and they treat every student individually. Basically, you get a really amazing experience.
Apply for the January 2020 intake. Call us on 0719 050 540 or 0719 050 550. Follow, like, comment and share on our social media pages.